What is going on, guys? Zeddy of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over iOS 14.6 and iOS 14.7 Beta 1 on both the iPhone 12 and 12 mini. Now, if you haven't checked this update out yet, there are really three main new features, which I'm going to go over. Also, as you guys are watching this, if you could smash the like button, I would definitely appreciate that. Okay, so first, I'm just going to pull up the software so you can kind of see what I'm using here. So on the 12 mini, I've got it on 14.6, and then I've got 14.7 on the iPhone 12. And, when we go into the actual software version, you can see that, 14.7, 14.6, right? All right, now the first thing I'm going to go over here is a podcast feature. And, I've mentioned that I'm not really big into podcasts, but what's cool about, this update is that you can manage subscriptions, through the podcast app. So I'm going to click on it, show you how it works. What you want to do is click listen now. And then when you click on, the icon of whatever your profile is, you can click on manage subscriptions. So it just basically pulls up, podcast subscriptions into your whole subscription feed. If you want to cancel it or whatever you want to do there. Then we've got Apple Card Family. Now this is pretty cool because it actually lets you share your Apple Card with family members, which is kind of a cool feature, honestly. Especially if you're trying to pay for things with somebody else's Apple Card because, you're cheap, you can now do that. So I think that is pretty cool. Another feature, and this is probably the coolest one, is the voice control feature. So you can unlock your iPhone now with voice control. So if you don't have voice control set up, you just go into accessibility, and you can go through the setup here. It takes like a second. But when voice control goes on, you're going to see this little icon appear in the top left-hand corner of your iPhone screen. It's like a little mic, and it should turn blue. So that lets you know that it's actually on. Now I'm going to restart my iPhone 12 here, and we're going to unlock it with the voice control feature. Now I do want to point out too that on iOS 14.7 Beta 1, there really isn't anything new. I went through it and comparing it to 14.6, they didn't really add anything at all. Maybe some bug fixes, but other than that, really nothing. But yeah, I would say voice control is probably the coolest feature. I'd recommend everybody check this out because it is kind of fun, unlocking your iPhone hands off, just using your voice. So we're going to do this. All right, so let's get ready for it. Now, sometimes there's a delay, but I'm going to say tap 1, tap 2, tap 3, tap 4. All right, it's pretty darn cool right there. But yeah, guys, that would be it, honestly. Those are the three main features that I think are worth pointing out on, 14.6 and, 14.7 Beta 1. Really not a whole lot, anything new. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you could smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.